So recently at Clapham we've started our Phase 3 works with drainage installation commencing, as well as the hydraulic services and form re-pour of the foundations for the Clapham maintenance facility. So my name's Matt Thomas. I'm a Senior Project Engineer with the civil team here at Clapham. So to commence the Phase 3 works, there's been a lot of effort put in with the design and procurement for us to be where we are now and commence these works. So once we put the dual gauge tracks into operation, that unlocks the remaining footprint in the yard, which allows us to start the full construction of the stabling yard. And the stabling yard consists of a number of holding roads, as well as the Clapham maintenance facility and the rail traffic crew building. So to complete the dual gauge cutover, we'll be connecting these tracks that we've built offline with the existing network. That will involve a lot of earthworks, some drainage and combined services route installation, as well as track and overhead and signalling work.